Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Battlefield 6 DirectX error. Come to the bottom left, right click on your start icon, and then I want you to click on a device manager. Okay, and from here I want you to click on this arrow next to display adapters, right click on your graphics driver, click on update driver. Now click on search automatically for updated driver software, and once you find any updates, I want you to go ahead and install this. Make sure your graphics drivers are fully up to date. This is often the root of the launch issues. And then what you can also go ahead and do is you can go to Google and you can type in DirectX runtime download. Only open the link from Microsoft. Don't open any of these other links. Download the one from Microsoft, and then I want you to come here. Okay, make sure you have the latest version and download it, right? And once it is downloaded, I want you to install the latest DirectX runtime packages, and then make sure you ensure that all the needed components are present. Okay, and lastly, what you can do is you can switch between DirectX and DirectX 12 in your in-game settings, and also disable any overlays, any background apps like NVIDIA overlays, Discord overlays, because those usually interfere with launching the game. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.